Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover's Dangerous, chapter 26. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Yang Yuner. Oh Chansi, suddenly she was rushing to. Yang Yuner is going to fall down on the horse. Well, it must really painful. Let's hope there's no bad things will happen to her. It was really unavoidable that Yang Yuner, she really falls down on the horse. She was lying on the floor right now. Oh Chansi was calling her. Oh Chansi, she's really rattled, and she was asking to call the ambulance. She was holding Yang Yuner. Yuner, she was still unconscious. That's why Oh Chansi asked them to call the ambulance. Back to the hospital, Yang Yuner still unconscious. Oh Chansi, she was calling the doctor and asking, Doctor, how is she? Well, definitely. She is really worried about her. You call the ambulance. When will she wake up? This is not sure, but if you can talk to her, maybe it will help to wake her up. Doctor said to Oh Chansi. Yang Yuner, she was still sleeping. And Oh Chansi came back to the room. Well, definitely, she really got worried about her. That's why she's got confused. She moved closer to Yang Yuner and said to her, You must be in pain. Well, falling down from the horse, it falls hard down on the ground. Of course, it was really painful. You don't need to ride a horse in the future. It pushed down all the dangerous work. Well, Oh Chansi, since she got really worried about her, she can said these things to hers. Suddenly, she got surprised. Turns out Yang Yuner already waking up. If you don't want me to work, do you want to support me? Yang Yuner asked Oh Chansi. Well, it really makes sense, right? Since she don't want her to work the future, so she must be supporting her. You are so kind to me. Are you my relatives? Oh Chansi said to her, Dear, don't you know me? Should I know you? Oh Chansi said to her, Well, definitely, there's something wrong with Yang Yuner. Right now, it seems that her head is really hurt. I can't remember anything. Oh, this is bad. So it turns out she have an amnesia. Well, this is not good. Say right now. It's alright. Don't think about it. If you can remember it. Well, of course, this is her chance. What is she going to do right now? Since Yang Yuner, she don't have any memory. Doctors said that there may be a sequel of concussions, and amnesia is one of them that can be recruited. Who are you to me? Yang Yuner is asking Oh Chansi. Oh, what is she going to tell her? Well, is she going to tell her two of them are in a relationship? Well, it's look like she's going to tell hers. Who do you want me to be yours? Oh Chansi said to Yang Yuner. Well, looking at her face, it seems that she's going to tease her. Of course, I wish you were my wife. You are so pretty. Well, Yang Yuner, turns out even though she don't have any memory, of course right now, she can also be tricky, also mischievous. After hearing this, of course right now, Yang Yuner, she become puzzled. So, are you, isn't it? Well, definitely. Oh Chansi said to her, Well, it's right. Oh, did she really mean that? She can be her wife in the future. Well, this is not good, right? But to make her happy, of course, she can always say yes to her. Now, after hearing this, Yang Yuner, she looks really happy. Sissy, are you shy? Sissy, I was wrong. Young Yuner suddenly becomes apologetic. No, he is an actor and I can't help but to control her performance. Young Yuner said to Ochensi. Suddenly she got pushed away. Looking at her hippie smiling face, it's a little bit nothing. Ochensi said to her. Well, maybe Ochensi realized that even though Young Yuner has no memory at all, she can be also tricky and also deceiving. So right now she gave it in. Well, definitely. It's really a good thing and a little bit funny, right? Now, Young Yuner. She is slightly getting fat by hers. Probably just to want her. But right now, Young Yuner. She realized something. Suddenly she sit up. Oops, her head is still hurting. Well, let's see. So she can rest for a while. It seems that her body condition is not really good. Still, her face is turning red. Maybe she got a fever. That's why she is not feeling well. Now, Ochensi stood up and holding her on the forehead. What's the matter? Did you touch her wound? Well, right now. Suddenly, Young Yuner, she got hooked up. And she was laughing. Hey, hey, you've been fooled again. So it turns out, she only wanted to tease her. Young Yuner suddenly hugs her and continued to say to her that she's been fooled around. Well, this girl, she's really tricky person, right? She can always be deceiving. Ochensi, she seems to be happy. If she doesn't finish the little box, she is afraid that she doesn't know the sky is too thick. Well, is she really going to punish her? Looking at hers, Wang Yuner. You don't really think I can do anything about you. Now, it seems that it was really terrifying. Let's see on what will happen next. Since we know that she won't really back down about this. Ochensi, she can be really a tricky person towards Young Yuner. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.